Bodhi's Big Adventure, Decoding Animal Sounds. In a forest filled with sparkling leaves and giggling streams, lived a little fox named Bodhi. Bodhi loved sounds. He loved the rustle of leaves, the splash of the river, and the happy chirps of birds. But most of all, he wished he could understand what the animals were really saying. One sunny morning, Bodhi heard a new sound. It wasn't a chirp or a rustle. It was a tiny, squeaky eek, eek, eek. It sounded worried. Bodhi tilted his head. What could that be? He wondered. Bodhi followed the sound deeper into the forest. The eek, eek, eek grew louder. He peeked behind a big mossy rock and saw a tiny squirrel, Pip, with a very wobbly nut stuck on his nose. Pip was jumping up and down, making the eek, eek, eek sound. Bodhi thought, is he saying, this nut is too big for me to carry? He tried to help, but the nut just wobbled more. Then, Bodhi remembered his wish. He closed his eyes and focused on Pip's sound. The eek, eek, eek turned into clear words in his mind. Oh dear, my nose is stuck. I can't see where I'm going. Oh, Bodhi exclaimed. You need help getting the nut off your nose. He carefully nudged the nut with his paw, and pop, it came right off. Pip shook his head, blinked his eyes, and then chattered happily. Bodhi listened again, and this time he heard, Thank you, Bodhi. You saved my day. From that day on, Bodhi knew his special gift was to truly listen. He helped a grumpy badger find his lost spectacles, and a shy bird sing her prettiest song. The forest became even happier and brighter because Bodhi understood everyone. He learned that sometimes the most important thing you can do is simply listen with your heart. And so, Bodhi's big adventure continued, one wonderful sound at a time, making friends and spreading joy wherever he went.